I would like to thank the board for allowing me to present a lesson that will include problem-based learning and brain-based learning. Before sharing the lesson, I'm going to share a little about what brain-based learning is. Behaviorists and other learning theorists believe that the brain is set the way it is. The brain-based theorists believe the opposite. They believe that the brain can change. Over and under stimulation can both affect the brain and its ability to learn. This is called plasticity. The lesson I have created for the classroom is meant to be taught to a 9th grade English class after they have completed reading the novel To Kill a Mockingbird. The objective of the lesson is that students will create a project based on the novel. Students will have their choice of projects, but must show an understanding of theme, character, mood, tone, and setting. Students' ability to choose a project reflects the principles of Cain and Cain. Their ability to choose how they create the project gives them the ability to learn and express themselves the best way for them. Students will be shown previously completed projects that met teacher expectations before choosing their own project. This reflects the third Cain and Cain principle as the teacher is modeling and sharing their enthusiasm for the project. This gives students a clear idea of what is expected of them and begins to get them emotionally invested in the project. Before students read the novel, they were given a list of questions that help students connect with and see themselves in the characters in the book. Creating this connection to the material follows Principle 5, as this gets students emotionally invested, which embeds their learning. Students will also understand the project they chose must apply to at least 2 senses. They are encouraged to stay with the senses they are most comfortable. This type of project uses many parts of the brain depending on the type of project that is chosen. Almost all learning and memory goes through the cerebral cortex. If their project is visual, it will use the occipital lobes. If it relies more on sound, the temporal lobe will be used. Most projects will also use the frontal lobe as it carries out creativity, planning, and goal setting. Students will present their project to the class with a question and answer session. Students are assessed by other students and by the teacher. Students are expected to have good questions for their peers, and those questions are part of their evaluation. This will create a social atmosphere as the students are becoming the teacher. This corresponds with Principle 2. Overall, this project should be fun and exciting for the students, and they will learn a lot.